Hi, good afternoon, dear friends. This is Kasim Appa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SPEM School, Harginamarakam. Dear students, this is part 7 video for the 7th standard, 2nd chapter, Fractions and Decimals. Dear children, in our today class, we have to discuss about the division of first content, division of whole numbers whole numbers whole numbers whole numbers by fractions yes, here your according to your title headline division of whole numbers. Suppose example 1, here 2 is a whole number, there is no doubt at all. Division, okay, division of whole numbers by fractions. Suppose 1 by 3. Example 1. Here you should remember one important concept, especially when you are dividing, especially fractions. Here first digit keep as it is, 2 as it is. This division symbol will be into, when you are taking inverse of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. 3 by 1. This new denominator will become numerator, that numerator will become denominator. Take inverse. Now this will be 2 3s are 6. 6 by 1. 1 has this. It's understood that always one, any number does not have any denominator. There is always 1. 1 into 1. It is not necessary, dears. It is not necessary, right? As it is 6. 6 is nothing but there is always denominator 1. Any number does not have any denominator means there is always denominator 1. Example 2, dears. Suppose 16 divided by 4 by 3. 16 divided by 4 by 3. You know that keep as it is first digit, 16 as it is. This division symbol will be into, take the inverse of 4 by 3, that will be 3 by 4. Now you can say that, sir, can I make it cancel? Yes, make it cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, then 4 into 3, 12. 12 by 1 are commonly 12 as it is. Then example 3, dears, see. Example 3, 20 divided by 3 by 4. 20 divided by 3 by 4. Yes, you know very well 20 as it is. This division symbol will be into, take the inverse of 3 by 4, that will be 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Now you can say that, yes, 24 is 80 divided by 3 itself. If you make it cancel further again, you will getting that answer in decimal. 80 by 3 keep as it is, that much is enough. Further, if you make it cancel, you will getting that answer in decimal form. It is not necessary. Yes. Example 4, dear children. Example 4. Yes. 5 divided by 3 by 4. Yes. Here 5 has this. This division symbol will be into 3 by 4. Take inverse. That will be 4 by 3, then multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 5 4s are 20 divided by 3. You can keep this into mixed fraction, but better leave as it is, because we are not studying about the mixed fraction now. We are not converting improper fractions into mixed fractions. If you are dealing that mixed fraction, then we can make it. Yes, we could convert into mixed fraction. This is the same. Keep as it is. Yes, this is the way of dividing the whole numbers by fractions. Second content in my today class. That is division of fractions by whole number. Second content in my today class, division of fractions by whole number. Second content, division of fractions by whole numbers. Yes, here fractions we take first. Example 1, suppose 3 by 4 divided by next to whole numbers, maybe 5. Yes, it may be 5 or 4, whatever number you can take whole numbers. Keep as it is. First term 3 by 4 as it is. First term as it is. This division symbol will be into. Here already I told you, any number does not have any denominator, means there is always one denominator is there. Take the inverse of 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Then 3 1s are 3, 4 4s are 16. 3 by 16 is the right answer. Example 2. Yes, 7 by 8 divided by 2 by 4. Sorry, only 2 itself only. Yes, only 2, or you can take S2 or 5. Yes, take 5. Division of fractions by whole number. Division of fractions by whole number. Keep as it is this term. 7 by 8 as it is. This division symbol will be into. Take the inverse of 5. That will be 1 by 5. That will be 1 by 5. Then 7 1s are 7. Then 8 5s are 40. Yes, answer is 7 by 40. Example 3, dear children. Example 3. 9 by 3 divided by 6. Divided by 6. Yes, take it. 9 by 3 has this first term. 9 by 3 has this. This division symbol will be into. Take the inverse of 6. That is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Then make it cancel here. Yes, 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 3 3s are. Next that will be, yes, 3 1s are 3. Then 3 2s are 6. Again it will be cancelled, dear children. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Final answer is 1 by 2. This is the way of division of fractions by whole numbers. How can we do? This is clear, I think. Okay, let us third content in my today class, that is division of fractions by fractions. Division of fractions by fractions. Division of fractions by fractions. Yes, this is the third content in my today class. Third content, division of fractions by fractions. Example 1. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Dear children, always you should remember, when you are doing division of fractions, first term you don't change, keep as it is. 1 by 2. This division symbol will be into. Take the inverse 3 by 4, that will be 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 2 1s are 2 2s are. That is 1 2s are 2. Then 3 as it is 2 by 3. Example 2, 16 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Keep as it is first term 16 by 4 into take the inverse of 2 by 3, that will be 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 8s are, yes, 8 threes are 24 divided by 4 as it is. 8 threes are 24 divided by 4 as it is. 4 ones are 4 6 are 24. Answer is 6. Answer is 6. Example 3, dear children. Example 3. 5 by 4 divided by 16 by 8. 16 by 8. Yes, keep as it is 5 by 4 first term, 5 by 4. This division will be into, take 16 by 8 as inverse, 8 by 16, 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 2 ones are 2 eights are 16 dears. That will be 5 by 8. Yes. How can we do? Yes. Fractions, division of fractions by fractions, division of whole numbers by fractions, division of fractions by whole numbers, division of fractions by fractions. These three contents is clear. I think remaining content related to this chapter, yes, we have to see in our next class. Thank you all. Bye.